इंडियन इकोनॉमी में डेट्स लर्न नहीं होती, तो आज से स्टार्ट हो रही है इंडियन इकोनॉमी इंपॉर्टेंट डेट सीरीज। तो फर्स्ट स्टॉप ऑन द ईव ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, बैटल ऑफ प्लासे 1757, जमींदारी सिस्टम 1793, मॉडर्न पोस्टल सिस्टम इन इंडिया 1837, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रेलवे 1850, फर्स्ट रेलवे ब्रिज लिंकिंग बॉम्बे एंड थाने 1854, ओपनिंग ऑफ सुएज कैनल 1869 एंड फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल सेंसस ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश राज 1881, टिस्को 1907, year of great divide 1921 and aviation sector 1932. Chapter 2 Indian economy 1950 to 1990. First IPR, Industrial Policy Resolution 1948, Planning Commission 1950, First 5-year Plan 1951 में शुरू हुआ और इसका ड्यूरेशन था 1951 to 1956. Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951, Karve Committee 1955, Second IPR 1956. New agricultural strategies during third 5-year plan, that is during 1960s. Green Revolution start हुई 1966-67. First phase of Green Revolution mid 60s to mid 70s. Second phase of Green Revolution mid 70s to mid 80s. Niti Aayog, that is National Institute of Transforming India, 1st January 2015. Last 12th 5-year plan का duration from 2012 to 2017. Chapter number 3, liberalization, privatization and globalization and appraisal. Number 1, GATT, that is General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, with 23 members 1948. Economic crisis 1991. New economic policy, that is New Economic Reforms, July 1991. WTO, World Trade Organization, 1995. Removal of quantitative restrictions on imports of manufactured consumer goods and agricultural goods, April 2001. Make in India policy, September 2014. Jan Dhan Yojana, 2014. Demonetization of currency, 8th November 2016. GST Act passed on 29th March 2017 and this act came into effect 1st July 2017. It's Chapter 5, Rural Development. Nationalization of banks, 1969. Operation Flood or White Revolution, 1970. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, 12th July 1982. Tanwa, Tamil Nadu, Women in Agriculture, late 1980s. Kutum Shri, 1998. Golden Revolution, 1991 to 2003. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, October 2014. And Jan Dhan Yojana, 2014. Chapter 4, 6 and 7. That is Human Capital Formation, Employment and Environment. Number 1. Education Commission recommended to spend at least 6% of GDP on education, 1964-66. Tapas Majumdar Committee, 1998. Right to Education Act, 2009, and India was declared a polio-free country by WHO, 2014. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, 2015. MGNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, 2005. And Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana or Skill India, 16 July 2015. Central Pollution Control Board, that is CPCB, 1974. Environment Protection Act, 1986. India signed the Montreal Protocol, 17 September 1992. United Nations formulated 17 Sustainable Development Goals intended to be achieved by the year 2030-2050. Chapter 8, that is Comparative Development Experiences of India and its Neighbors. Pakistan's independence, 14th August 1947. India's independence, 15th August 1947. And establishment of People's Republic of China, 1949. First 5-year plan. India, 1951. China, 1953. Pakistan, 1956. GLF, that is introduced by Mao in China, that is 1958. Great Proletarian Cultural Revolution, 1965. Nationalization of capital goods industries in Pakistan, early 1970s इसमें and late 1970s में denationalized policy adopt की गई पाकिस्तान में. Reforms introduced in China 1978, Pakistan 1988 and India ने reforms introduce किए 1991 में. One child policy in China 1979 and special economic zones in China 1979. Abolition of one child policy in China 2015. इस वीडियो को लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन के लिए सेव कर लेना और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करना, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना। थैंक यू सो मच।